Hello, I'm looking for Tim Stockinger.
Hello?
Hello? This is Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm looking for Tim Stockinger. I saw your picture on Instagram, the newest one. You have a lot of quality mass.
Okay.
I'm very impressed of your development. The last 2 years, I have been following you on Colosseum Forum.
Who am I talking to?
What did you say?
Who am I talking to?
Arnold Schwarzenegger, the governor of California. Former governor, I mean.
Okay.
Are you laughing at me? Do you think I'm stupid or something? Why do you think that? Just because I took steroids back in the 70s doesn't mean I'm stupid now. Have you seen my movies, Twins? Kindergarten Cup? Have you seen the movies Terminator 1, Terminator 2, Terminator 3, Terminator 4? Amazing movies. Amazing parts for me. Are you listening to me, Tim? Why are you just laughing? I think you have a great physique. I think you should go for the next year's CrossFit Reebok Championship in Stockholm. Tjenare! Har du vetat det? Det är Xet här. Är du allvarlig? Men då var det ju grymt bra.